The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 3. The State Legislature. General. Article 171. Composition of the Legislative Councils. 1. The total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state, having such a council, shall not exceed one-third of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly of that state, provided that the total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state shall, in no case, be less than 40. 2. Until Parliament by law otherwise provides, the composition of the Legislative Council of a state shall be as provided in Clause 3. 3. Of the total number of members of the Legislative Council of a state, a. As nearly as may be, one-third shall be elected by electorates, consisting of members of municipalities, district boards, and such other local authorities in the state, as Parliament may by law specify. b. As nearly as may be, 1/12 shall be elected by electorates, consisting of persons residing in the state, who have been for at least 3 years graduates of any university in the territory of India, or have been for at least 3 years in possession of qualifications prescribed by, or under any law made by Parliament, as equivalent to that of a graduate of any such university. c. As nearly as may be, 1/12 shall be elected by electorates, consisting of persons who have been for at least 3 years engaged in teaching in such educational institutions within the state, not lower in standard than that of a secondary school, as may be prescribed by, or under any law made by Parliament. d. As nearly as may be, 1/3 shall be elected by the members of the Legislative Assembly of the state, from amongst persons who are not members of the Assembly. a. The remainder shall be nominated by the Governor, in accordance with the provisions of Clause 5. 4. The members to be elected, under subclauses A, B, and C of Clause 3, shall be chosen, in such territorial constituencies, as may be prescribed by, or under any law made by Parliament. And, the elections under the said subclauses, and under subclause D of the said clause shall be held in accordance with the system of proportional representation, by means of the single transferable vote. 5. The members to be nominated by the Governor under subclause A of Clause 3 shall consist of persons having special knowledge or practical experience in respect of such matters as the following, namely, literature, science, art, cooperative movement, and social service.